My name's Barry Cullen. I'm the president of Comfort Technology, and we're out of Braintree, Mass. I would recommend Bosch because they won't let you down. They come out with these products that are just fantastic. You always know that they're looking for another product that's even better than what they're making today. Right over here, your new heat pump. That heat pump has put us to a different level. Has put us to a different level that it's allowing us to do things that we could never do before. We're installing that heat pump in places that heat pumps always had a bad name in this part of the country because they never operated well when the temperatures got below 30 degrees. You've provided us with the answer to that for a ducted system. They're providing people with comfort, quality, and they operate the way that they should, it's like buying a real good quality car. My guys, since day one, since we've been using them, they love them, and they don't want to use anything else. I don't install junk. I just install the best quality products there is, and Bosch is that product. It's just doing things the right way and using the best products. And I find if you use that philosophy, you'll always do well. One of the big things that I find also with Bosch is that if we have any technical issues with a product, there's always somebody to answer the phone. And you have good quality support. The people support the product know what they're doing. Sometimes other companies I call up and I ask them questions, but I feel like I know more than they do. With Bosch, I feel like that you have some really good people in the supporting the product on the technical end.